Hello student, welcome here in this YouTube channel initiated by Gnanmanjari Modern School. This is J period and we have already started active and passive voice. In last video you could see that modal auxiliaries and use of those modal auxiliaries in active and passive voice. In this video we'll go for another tense. The name of the tense is present perfect tense. Use of present perfect tense you all know very well, but how to use that same tense into passive voice, that will be discussed in this video. Please keep your notebook with you and pencil or pen, you whatever you want to use, and write along with me all the information which I'll give you in this video. Okay, so let's start it. Present perfect tense generally used to show those things which has already been discussed or which have already been done in the past, but the effect of that action is still there in the present. So that kind of things can be discussed use of this present perfect tense, that we all know. We have that special video of these all tenses and we have that video of this present perfect tense also. So let's just start from the passive construction of this present perfect tense. Before that, I'll give you active construction and how to change active into passive, that we will discuss. Okay. So the passive construction of this is, first of all, active, that is subject, have and has, V3, object, OW, it means other words. Now we'll turn this sentence pattern into passive voice. Subject means this object will come here. Have and has plus been plus V3 by object and OW. The most important and very useful things for you all for this in this tense is, here V3 has already been given in active voice. So no need to remember V3, especially in this all perfect tenses. Let me give you sentence. See. She has already drawn her picture. So this her picture will come first. Her picture has already been drawn by her. Okay. Now second one. They have collected all the tickets from me. Okay, so this all the tickets will come first, as that all the tickets is our object. All the tickets have been collected by them from me. This prepositional part we will not change. So from me will not be changed. Okay, number 3. Mahi has written her essay. So this her essay will come first. Her essay has been written is already given, written by Mahi. So these are the affirmative sentences of present perfect tense. with the sentence pattern. You please note down these all the sentences. Remember students, you have to note down these sentences which I have been giving to you all. So please note down this. Now we'll go for negative sentences. In negative sentences, in active voice we have subject, has and have, not, V3 and object or other words. Now in passive voice, this object will come here and it becomes subject, have and has remain same. After that, not is as it is, we need been, V3 by object and other words. Okay, so now we'll make sentences. She has not given me a promise. So me and a promise both are the object in active voice. So we can have here two answer for this, but we'll make only one. So me will come first. I have not been given a promise by her. And what if we choose a promise as an object? So promise will come first. A promise has not been given to me by her. So this way we can have here two answers as we have two objects, me and a promise. Second sentence is, they have not informed me yet. Okay, again here me is an object, so that will come first. I have not been informed by them yet. So these are the negative sentences of present perfect tense with sentence pattern. Please you note down this. interrogative sentence. Sentence pattern is here have and has comes first plus subject plus V3 plus object and OW and this. Passive construction pattern have has remained same plus subject plus been plus V3 plus by plus object OW at last question mark. Okay, have and has will not change its place because it is an interrogative sentence. Sentences are have you lost your keys? So we'll change this into passive. Have your keys been lost by you? Have your keys been lost by you? Second is, has she arranged a party? Okay, so has a party been arranged by her? Here we are talking about one party, that's why we take has. Here we are talking about many keys, that's why we took here have. Number 3 is have they completed their work? Okay, so answer is have their work been completed by them? So these are the 3 sentences of interrogative in passive voice of present perfect tense. Please you note down this, students. So here I have given you 3 types of different sentences. Now we will discuss mixed sentences of this tense, and the sentences are Okay students, so here I have given you 6 sentences and these are mixed sentences. Let's solve this one by one. First is, she has called you many times. This many times will not be changed, so you will come first. So you we have, that's why we take have. You have been called by her many times. Number 2 is, we have not discussed this yet. This will come first. This has not been discussed by us yet. Number 3 is interrogative sentence. Have you taken my permission? So, my permission is a singular form, though that will come first. And when this my permission will come first, we will take has. So, has my permission been taken by you? That is the answer. Has my permission been taken by you? Okay. After that, we have this number 4. Have they deleted your messages? So your messages comes first. Your messages is a plural form, so we will not change this have into has. So number 4 is, have your messages been deleted by them? Okay. Number 5 is, she has written wrong spellings. So wrong spellings come first. Wrong spellings. Here spellings words are plural form, have been written by her. Okay. Here we have enjoyed a party. The answer of this I am writing here. A party has been enjoyed by us. So these are the 6 mixed sentences. You have some time to note down this. Please note down. I am giving you some more sentences. They have done work wrongly. She has posted those letters. The doctor has checked my reports. She has rubbed the sums. Let's discuss this. They have done work wrongly. Work will come first. Work has been done wrongly by them. She has posted those letters. Those letters have been posted by her. The doctor has checked my reports. My reports have been checked by doctors. Number 4 is she has rubbed the sums. The sums have been rubbed by her. See, when you have plural form in subject, at that time you have to use have, not has. Okay, note down these 4. After that I'll give you homework. Please note down. Okay, your homework is write 10 sentences of passive voice of this tense. Write only interrogative and negative. Affirmative sentences you don't need to write. You have to write 10 sentences of passive voice of this tense, 5 interrogative and 5 negative. Post your homework in the group regularly. We will meet again in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.